Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we will explore NIO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, and now we are here to offer an even more thorough analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 8th of May, 2025, our system has ranked NIO as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of negative 0.78. Let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently reflects a loss of negative 2.02% since we first made the hold accumulate recommendation. This equates to an average loss of negative 0.18% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and falling trend in the short term, and further fall within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential negative 15.30% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between negative 40.42% and negative 0.796%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a negative 11.03% projected change. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could range from negative 30.36% to 53.20% over the next year. In current terms, this would put the future price somewhere between $2.70 and $5.94. Our latest daily update for NIO features the headline, NIO stock price ended at $3.88 on Thursday after losing 1.52%. The NIO stock price decreased by 1.52% on the last day, Thursday, the 22nd of May, 2025, dropping from $3.94 to $3.88. This marks the fourth consecutive day of decline. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.55%. with a low of $3.86 and a high of $3.92. The price has fallen in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decline of 2.02% over this period. Additionally, trading volume decreased on the last day alongside the stock price, which is generally a positive sign, as volume should align with stock movement. On the last day, the trading volume fell by 8 million shares, with a total of 26 million shares exchanged for approximately $99,601,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $7.71, while the lowest was $3.02. Currently, the price is 49.68%, or $3.83, below the 52-week high, and 94.21%, or $63.11, below the all-time high on the 11th of January, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. NIO has faced challenging market conditions recently, primarily driven by tariff-related volatility impacting shares of the Chinese electric vehicle maker. Despite this, NIO remains a focal point for investors as the company is set to report its unaudited financial results for the first quarter of 2025 on June 3rd. This upcoming announcement could significantly influence the stock's price in the short term, particularly if results surpass expectations and indicate positive momentum in vehicle sales and profitability. Recent analyses suggest that NIO is trading at a discount compared to historical valuations, potentially presenting a buying opportunity. The company's diversified electric vehicle offerings and innovative battery swap strategy are seen as pivotal to improving profit margins moving into the second half of the year. As these promotional efforts normalize, there's optimism for a resurgence in financial performance. In the long term, NIO's ability to navigate current economic uncertainties and enhance its market position could stabilize its share price. Analysts highlight its resilience in the competitive landscape against other foreign auto stocks, suggesting that if the broader market regains confidence, NIO might be poised for a rebound, supporting more robust valuation recovery. Overall, while market volatility remains a concern, strategic advancements and forthcoming financial results will play crucial roles in shaping investor sentiment and stock performance for NIO. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of April, 2025, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 21st of November, 2024, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned NIO a neutral grade with a hold action. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight grade with an upgrade action. On the same day, it was reported that Macri assigned NIO an outperform grade with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup assigned NIO a buy grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also designated the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for NIO. The NIO stock currently presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a contrasting buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, a general buy signal emerges, indicating a positive outlook for the stock. In the event of further gains, the stock is expected to encounter resistance from the short-term moving average, which is around $4.01. Conversely, if the stock declines, it should find support from the long-term average, approximately at $3.83. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Monday, the 28th of April, 2025. Since then, the stock has decreased by nearly 10%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The trading volume decreased along with the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 52 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 12 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal from 18 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 20 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 36 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $3.75. This level could present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when this support is tested. The stock typically exhibits average daily movements, and with solid trading volume, the risk is assessed as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 6 cents between its high and low, which is 1.55%. Additionally, during the past week, the stock displayed daily average volatility of 2.49%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can go through challenging periods, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 5th of June 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at negative 22 cents. Keep a close watch on these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $3.98. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $3.75. If this support level holds, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from various analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred over 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Our recommended stop loss is set at $3.70, reflecting a decline of 4.54%. This stock exhibits medium daily fluctuations, indicating a moderate level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 18 days ago. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to designate it as a buy candidate. At this level, it is best viewed as a hold candidate, meaning investors should either hold or accumulate shares while waiting for further developments. After assessing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, the 23rd of May, we anticipate that NIO will open higher by approximately 671 ten-thousandths of a dollar, beginning at $3.89. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. Here is our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.